What is going on, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick review on the Lasfit bed mat for my F-150. We'll unbox it quick, throw it on, see what we think, and check it out. All right, so I wanted to get a bed liner for my F-150 because I do have a plastic liner in there with the bed liner. However, the bed liner is kind of like snapped into the sides and it's kind of a pain to take it out. So I wanted something removable so I can clean it easier and put it back on. So I got this. Now, keep in mind, they do have two sizes. Like my truck is 6.5 bed. If you have 4 doors, you're gonna want the 5.5 bed. So ask me how I know. I ordered one for the Tacoma, as you can see here. And it's too short because I'm special. But I did get the right one for my F-150. So let's unbox it and throw it in. So as expected, something this big inside such a small box, they folded pretty good. So you are gonna have to let this sit in the sun for, I don't know, half hour to an hour. But this is, I literally just put it down about 30 seconds ago. And out of the box, it's not bad, it is usable. But if you wanna get rid of the waviness, definitely let it sit in the sun and take it shape. So we'll let it sit here and I'll come back in a little while and we'll throw it on the truck. So this sat in the sun for about 30 minutes this morning. It took the shape perfectly. I threw it on the truck. I went to Home Depot. I had to buy sandbags, concrete bags, and wood. I loaded a bunch of stuff on top of this. I actually got concrete all over it because the bags were leaking powder a little bit. And the beauty of this, and the reason why I got it, is because you can take the hose, you can rinse it, and it's brand new again. So it's nice to have a removable mat to clean. And let me go into the truck and show you why I wanted this mat. So as you can see, I use my truck for, as a truck. I'm not gonna baby it. I throw scrap metal back here, lawnmowers that I find on the side of the road. So when I bought this truck, it did not have a bed liner at all. So I got this, it's called dual liner, and it's basically a 3-piece plastic. So you put the side plastic piece on, the other side, and then the back. And then it comes with a mat. So this is made out of like recycled tires, and it's like 1/4 inch thick. This mat is extremely like heavy. And not only that, there's a channel that goes around the whole bed where this mat like snaps into. So it's like I can pull on it and it's not really removable. You will have to take it out, and I'll do it from all around to take it out. So is it removable? Yeah. Is it a pain in the ass to take it out? Absolutely. So my hope is that the Lasfit mat just goes on top, which I already tried it and it fits. And I can use that as a removable mat on top of this one. So for the ease of cleaning. Keep in mind that the Lasfit mat is made for a truck that has no plastic liner like this, or it has just a spray-on liner. So if you just have the regular spray-on that you get at the dealer when you buy the truck, it'll work with that, or just a plain white bed or whatever color your vehicle is. But if you do have like my liner here, this does take some room, and the mat will be slightly curled up on the edges. But obviously, you're using it for something that's not made to do. But it still works perfect for what I needed to do, and I'll put it on and I'll show you guys. All right, so as you can see, the bed liner is installed, and it actually fits pretty decent, being that it shouldn't fit because I have a plastic liner all around, but it still fits pretty good. It would be nice to be able to take this out, your pressure washer, and clean it and put it back on compared to the other one. And you pretty much, in my case, you have double the protection because you have two mats. So if I do drop anything heavy in here, being that it's an aluminum bed, it'll protect it a little more. So do I recommend you getting both of them? No. If you got just the Lasfit one, it should be enough. But like I said, because I did not have a spray-on bed liner when I bought the truck, I had to buy the plastic liner, and it just happened that I didn't realize that the mat was kind of a pain in the ass to take out. So you will see a little bit of wavy because it's taking some room where this should be nice and flush, but it still fits pretty good. I'll give you guys a better. So not bad at all. Definitely recommend, especially for the price compared to a lot of other companies out there. These mats are priced way below that, and Lasfit they have been making really good products lately. They have LED bulbs, which I use on all my vehicles, air compressors, off-road lights. So check out their website. And if whatever you buy on the website, on your whole order, there will be a coupon right now on the screen that is 20% off your whole order. So you spend $1,000, you're gonna save 200 bucks. So don't hesitate, use the coupon, and just have fun, guys. I appreciate you guys watching, and see you guys on the next one.